Hey guys, it's Hans Hobbies, and this is a quick little unboxing video, and I know I've kind of already cut it open, but before we dig into this box, there's a quick announcement. This is probably going to be my last video that I shoot at this house, because I am actually in the process of moving into a different house. So, there will be some videos in the future that are coming out that is set place from this location, but those are just because they're really backlogged videos that I haven't really been able to get to because of school and work and stuff. So after the backlog is gone, you're gonna probably start seeing videos come out from my new house. So that's just a quick announcement there. But speaking of that, I decided to pick this up. This is the bones for my next project. But I decided to pick it up kind of early just because on eBay it was exactly what I was looking for at the price I was looking for, um, and they only had one of it. So I decided to pick it up before someone else snatched it up. And it's not too big, so it's not too much extra to carry around. But opening it up, you can kind of already tell what it is. It's a crawler, another crawler. So you can see here, this is a truck that's been on the really on the buzz recently in the scale truck market. It's the Enduro Trail Runner. Um, if you don't know, this is a enduro a team associated rock crawler, basically scale crawler, but it has their independent front suspension kit pre-installed, and I got this roller kit. It's brand new. At least that's what the ad said. It's brand new. Just remove the body, the wheels, electronics, and so I just get basically a builder's kit like this. And we're gonna do a quick little look at it. We can see it has the accessories box, a bag with the extra battery battery tray, some extra little ball inserts, extra gears. I think these are the overdrive gears. These stuff for the solid axle conversion. It also comes with the tall rear body mount. That should go right there. I actually have another one of these coming in because I need it for the upcoming project. Taking a look at the instruction manual real quick, it looks like one of those uh, real life car repair manuals that you get at AutoZone or something. So that's pretty cool. It tells you how to assemble everything as if it was a kit. It doesn't come with the body, obviously, which it is a cool body, but I have something else really cool in store for this thing. But let me get it on top of the box so it's on a higher platform. So here we go. It does come with all the important bits, like the shocks. These are already amazingly smooth. That's to be expected though, being team associated made. These shocks are actually really nice. Aluminum body, aluminum collar, threaded body, plastic cap. But it's a very nice design and looks like a very nice smooth shock. I absolutely love the shock right here. Um, it also comes with this MagnaFlow, I believe. Yeah, this MagnaFlow muffler on the back. That's a nice little cool detail, and it's pretty solidly on there. I thought it'd be kind of wobbly, but it's actually really nicely on there. So that's pretty good to see. It doesn't look like it's gonna snap off very easily either because it's nice and thick. It's not a true hole in there like a true exhaust, but it does do the job fairly well. That's gonna look good on the project I have planned. The hexes look like they are plastic, maybe metal. I can't really tell just by feeling it in my hand. It's either a really hard plastic or it's metal. I can't really tell. It does come with all the wheel nuts, so that's also nice. No electronics though, obviously. No ESC, no servo, none of that. But I didn't really need that, so it doesn't really matter. They did they did still give me the antenna tube though. But yeah, the big thing I wanted this chassis for was this bit right here. This was actually cheaper than buying either the kit, this this Trail Runner brand new or buying the builder's kit and then buying the IFS conversion separately, this was about like $100 cheaper than all of that. This right here cost me about $190, which I think is a really, really good deal, seeing how even like that's about the price of a lot of the builders kits that's out there, and it's cheaper than the Enduro builders kit. So I think this is a pretty good deal I got right here. But this IFS kit, it looks great. It feels pretty tough. Some people are worried that it was gonna be kind of flimsy, but it feels very tough. It looks like it's gonna be able to take some beating on some rocks. So that's gonna be great for my project. The links also look like the turnbuckle and stuff. They look nice and beefy and thick. All the ball joints here are metal, which is also nice. Universals in there, so that should help with steering. A nice little solid unit right here. That feels really good. The transmission in the center, I'm gonna probably end up putting in the zero overdrive transmission gears, because I don't really need overdrive for what I'm doing. I'm also gonna have to replace this battery tray with the longer one, because I don't have any of these I can't talk today for some reason. Shorty LiPo batteries. Another thing I thought was really cool was this like center plate that mounts to these chassis that adds some rigidity to everything and also protects the front drive shaft. And speaking of the drive shafts, this is something I haven't seen before, is the actual universal joint here, that is metal, but the actual shaft is plastic, but the center is also aluminum. So why I like that is it's not a full metal drive shaft, so it's not gonna like break things farther up the transmission. So if something slips, hopefully it's just the plastic bits that's gonna strip, and that doesn't seem like that's too expensive to replace. It comes with rock sliders, as you see, and they're pretty stiff. They're using definitely a lot stiffer plastics for this car. I know the original Enduro had a problem with kind of gummy plastic that made the whole chassis kind of flexible. This doesn't really have that issue. They really fixed it. The rear axle looks pretty nice. I was concerned that, I'm gonna hold it up with my foot here because I only got one hand right now. I was concerned that this pumpkin was gonna be really large, but seeing it in person, actually it looks pretty good. This axle is pretty nice, actually. The pumpkin isn't too large, and most of it's pretty straight and stays out of the way, so that's pretty good to see as well. So not a lot to talk about here, just because it is a bare bones chassis, but I have a lot of videos backlogged, but this is definitely in the works. This is a project that's going to be in the works. I probably won't do like a step-by-step thing, but there will definitely be a reveal. There's something really special going on with this truck, so look forward to that. And if you want to see my other backlogged videos eventually when they come out, you can always subscribe, like, comment down below, all that good YouTube shenanigans, and I'll see you guys next time.